Today we're going to be looking at 5 houses for sale in Clarendon. House number 1. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house found in Scrofts Hill in Clarendon. The size of this house is 1,304 square feet and it's been listed for 40 million Jamaican dollars. Let's take a closer look. Here we have the living and dining area. Next is the kitchen. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, second bedroom, third bedroom, and this is a 4th bedroom. We then have the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom, and this is a 2nd bathroom. That will then be the end of the images for house number 1. House number 2. This is a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom house found in the gated community of Twin Palms Estate in Maypen, Clarendon. The square footage of this house is 3,179 square feet and it's on the market for 52 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go and take a closer look. Here we have the first living and dining area. And this is the 2nd living area. Next we have the kitchen. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, 2nd bedroom, and this is a 3rd bedroom. Out of 5 bedrooms, only 3 were shown. Next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom, 2nd bathroom, and this is a 3rd bathroom. Followed by that we have the garage. And from here we head back on the outside. That will then be the end of house number 2. House number 3. This 8-bedroom, 6-bathroom house is found in Toby Heights in Maypen, Clarendon. The size of this lot is 10,964 square feet and it's on the market for 45 million Jamaican dollars. Let's take a closer look. First, we have the veranda. This is the living area, dining area, and this is the kitchen. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, 2nd bedroom, and this is the 3rd bedroom. This house has 8 bedrooms, however only 3 were shown. We then have the bathroom. Out of 6 bathrooms, only 1 is being shown. Lastly, we have the balcony. And that would be the end of house number 3. House number 4. Now for this one, it's a 6-bedroom, 5-bathroom house found in Palmer's Cross in Maypen, Clarendon. The size of this house is 7,500 square feet and it's on the market for 65 million Jamaican dollars. Let's take a look. Here we have living area number 1, and dining area number 1. Next is living and dining area number 2. Next is the kitchen. Here we have an office. And we then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. Out of 6 bedrooms, 2 were shown. We then have the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is the second bathroom. Out of 5 bathrooms, 2 were shown. Now here we have a study that probably could be turned into an additional office. Here we have an additional storage area. And in this house as well, here we have a full service salon. Next we have the balcony. And from here we're going to head outside to take a look at the property. That will then be the end of house number 4. House number 5. This 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house is found in Hummingbird Estate in Maypen, Clarendon. The size of this house is 2,803 square feet and it's been sold for 28 million Jamaican dollars. Let's take a look inside. Here we have the veranda. And next is the living area. Dining area. And this is the kitchen. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. Out of 4 bedrooms, 2 were shown. Next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is the second bathroom. This house has 3 bathrooms, however only 2 were shown. From here we're going to head back on the outside. And that will be the end of house number 5. That also brings us to the end of the video. So if you are interested in any of the houses that were shown, I'll be leaving all the information down below in the description box for the realtors and also the links for the houses. If you made it this far, thanks so much for sticking with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and to share, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.